Hey guys, so today I will show you how you can remove reels, ads, and stories from your Facebook. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So, first, let's go to Google Web Store. Let's open up Chrome Web Store here. Now, we are going to use two extensions for this. So, the first one, let's search for ad blocker for Facebook. Okay, so let's use this one. Now let's click on Add to Chrome and let's click on Add Extension. Alright, so once it's installed, let's go ahead and click on this extension. Now we can select Clean Mode and we can also remove Reels. We can also remove Sponsored, remove Suggested for you, remove Market Ads, and remove Searching Ads. Now, we also need one more extension, so let's search for Hide Shorts and Stories. So let's look at this one. Now, this is going to hide shorts and reels from Facebook. Now, let's add this to Chrome. Let's add extension. Now, once it is added, let's go ahead and click on this extension and make sure Facebook Reels, Facebook Stories, and Facebook Videos are all enabled so that these Reels, Stories, and Videos are not going to be shown in Facebook. Now, once all of that are enabled, you can go back to Facebook and let's reload your page. Now, after that, you will notice that on your Facebook page, there will be no more videos and no more shorts, and there are no ads. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.